Hi friends, it's Alex. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome and thanks so much for joining. Excuse my voice. I don't know what's going on with it. It's just being weird today. So anyways, if you've clicked on this video, then that means you want to see me transform my hair. So yeah, I'm kind of excited, not kind of, I am excited to do this because I've had this natural like blue black color for a while, and I'm just ready for something different. So I used the Arctic Fox Transylvania color to cover over the green that I had from the split dye, and I've been using like OLAPLEX and stuff to kind of get my curls back, and now I'm just going to destroy them once again. So if you want to see that, then keep watching. Okay, so if you haven't seen my last hair dye video, you should go watch it after this one. But yeah, I'm kind of just tired of the black purple thing that's going on right now, and I'm just ready for something new. So it's not, I wouldn't say impulse, because clearly I've like researched some more, learning from last time's mistakes and all of that stuff. So semi-impulsive, semi-not, but this time we're going red with Arctic Fox again. I'm excited, a little nervous, but you know, not more than usual. Am I still gonna do it? Absolutely. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so before I get started, I have been using OLAPLEX on my hair, and my curls have just been so beautiful. I'll put a picture in here to show you guys what I've been using. I am running low on it, so I will have to get some more, but I've been using these 4 products. I ran out of the number 3, and so I've just been using the Bond Smoother after I wash my hair with shampoo, and then conditioning with pattern conditioner, and that's amazing. So anyways, yeah, I just wanted to mention that, and let's get to it. Okay, so firstly, do you guys see this green piece that's popping out? Okay, so when I dyed all of my hair back black, I just put Arctic Fox Transylvania on top of the green. Oh, I don't even remember the name of the green color, but the green color that I had split dye. And so it's just fading right now, and that's why it looks this way. Also, this side is like very purpley in the light. You can't really see it right now, can you? I don't know. It's just fading, and this is all Transylvania from Arctic Fox. You can kind of see it's like purple blue. It's their black dye, but it has a purple undertone, or like purple blue undertone, so when it fades it's like purple. Anyway, so the first step obviously is to lift all this color out, and usually I do like baking soda, dish soap, and some drugstore shampoo, but that has been very damaging on my hair in the past. So again, I watched some Brad Mondo videos, and he just did a video, not just, but he did a video about 4 different kinds of hair color removal and what worked best. And so I'm just doing what worked best for that video. Here I'm modifying a little bit because I'm not using drugstore shampoo. I'm using like my shampoo that I use, which is like no sulfates and all that stuff, so it's not going to be as damaging for my hair. So I'll show you guys how I'm going to mix that up, and we'll get started. Okay, so to remove this color, I'm just using some bleach, some shampoo. This is the shampoo that I've been using. It's so good and it smells amazing. I got this at CVS, so I guess it is drugstore, but it's just, you know, free of sulfates and parabens, and just great for curly hair. So that's what I'm gonna use. 20 volume developer, and then I'm measuring better this time, so I've got my measuring cup, and then just my, you know, trusty brush and bowl. And then I am gonna add some water to this, so it's just like a bleach bath, I think it's called. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna mix this stuff up now. I think I'm just gonna do, I don't want to do equal parts, maybe I'll do equal parts. There wasn't really any instructions on his video, but I'm just gonna kind of wing it. Okay, so I haven't washed my hair in 2 days, and so it's pretty dirty, and this is just so that my scalp isn't like super sensitive when I put the bleach on there, and it doesn't, you know, burn everything. So Anyways, I'm gonna just section this off. I'm probably gonna start from the back and then work my way up. This, I'll show you. This is the bleach bath. It's like very thin, diluted bleach, and so it's not as harsh, I'm guessing. So this should be enough for my hair. It's not that much, but it should be enough to get the color off. So I'm just gonna section in 4 sections here and get started. I'm excited. Okay, so I just finished half of my head and you can see it's already working. You can really see the purple undertones now. Let's see. You see, that's very, very purple. And then it's like the green, because I didn't take the green off before I did the black. So I'm going to tie this up. I went ahead and like got my roots on this side, but I'm just gonna put this in a bun up here. It's very purple. Can you guys see that? And I have some foil. I'm just gonna like wrap on this side of my head while I do this side. It's supposed to sit for 20 minutes. So I'm gonna do this side, and then by the time I finish, probably set the timer for about 10 minutes, since like this probably will take 10 minutes. This has already been sitting for 10 minutes. And then rinse this side out first, and then go ahead and do this side so that it's not like over processing my hair, which I feel like was a problem in the last time, because I like set it 30 minutes after everything had set versus like remembering that this side was first versus this side. Does that make sense? Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put foil and then do this side and come back to you guys. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes for this side. This is where we're at. It turned purple red, but you can see like bleach under. So I'm gonna go in the kitchen, look at this. I'm gonna go in the kitchen sink and rinse this side out, and then leave this side for 10 more minutes, and hopefully this works out. I'm excited. I'm kind of wondering if I'm gonna have to bleach my hair, like actually bleach it. But I mean, there's some brown. This is like new growth up here, obviously. We'll see. Okay, so why this is purple red, I have no idea, because it was green and then blue. So I'm not really sure why it's this color. It didn't work as well as I thought it was going to. I don't know if maybe I'm supposed to like put less shampoo or whatever. I'm not too worried about it though. I'm just gonna have to suck it up and do the other thing that I usually do that I know works to pull this color out. I'm about to rinse this side off, and then we'll kind of go from there. And because I want to dye it red, I'm not too worried about it being this color, but it's just not light enough for me, enough to put the other dye on top and it evenly, you know, look nice. Okay, so this side lifted much better than this side. I'm not really sure why, and it's looking red purple, obviously. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix the mixture that I usually use, which I feel like I should have just started that from before, but it's fine. I have some oil and everything in here, but I feel like I just might as well lift it tonight and then just work with what I have in the morning so that I'm not over processing. And then I'm not gonna use bleach in the mixture that I usually use, which is baking soda, dish soap, shampoo, and developer. So it'll lighten it, it'll lift it out, and it'll work great. Tomorrow, hopefully I'll be able to put on the color, which is Arctic Fox Poison, by the way. So it's this one. I have 2 bottles. I want to show you like how red this is. It's so nice. Ooh, so I want it to be very, very red. Just all over. I don't think I'm gonna do any split dyeing. So yeah, I'm just gonna go mix that stuff now, put it on, and then probably, oh, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like once I wash it and condition and everything like that. And then I'll call it a night and catch up with you guys in the morning. Okay, so I lightened it again. I have OLAPLEX number 6, the bond smoother, and also some oil in here. My hair is very soft and it's lighter on the ends, and this side is also lightening more than this side. I'm not sure if it's because I did the split dye from before, I don't know, but it's this pretty color. If it was like evenly around, I would be okay with that. I'm kind of coming to the realization I'm gonna have to bleach all of it tomorrow. Like not diluted or anything, just regular bleach. So I'm gonna put it up tonight and let it dry and do its thing. And then in the morning, I'm just gonna bleach it and get the color out and then make my roots a proper color, more even, and then we can put the red on and hopefully it will look amazing. Morning guys, it's actually afternoon, but I went ahead and bleached my entire head. So now it's like this pink color, which I'm honestly not mad about. This pink color is kind of cute, but you know, I'm gonna put the red in. I also bleached my roots, but not all the way. Like I didn't bleach the front, the baby hairs, so that when it grows out, it'll just match, you know. But we still have a little bit curls in the back, or like at the roots, but the ends are just fried, which I knew was gonna happen from bleaching it, which, you know, that's okay. I'll come back from it. Anyways, I'm hoping that the red will just cover over all of this. It's not gonna cover uniformly, obviously, because it's not starting out uniform, but it's more uniform than it was before. So hopefully that'll be okay. I'm excited. I'm gonna go put some OLAPLEX in my hair right now, let this like dry out a little bit more so that it's not so like wet. I just washed this out. I want it to be like damp, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the red on. So I'll come back for that. I went ahead and did a strand test. This is the color on there, and it's looking really good. I'm gonna leave it on for the 20 minutes and see, you know, how it rinses out and everything. My ends are just absolute garbage, but I don't want to cut them off, so I'm just gonna leave them. But yeah, this color is gonna look so good. I'm excited. Okay, I have this color in my hair and I'm gonna leave it in there for about 30 minutes and then wash it out. I am loving it. It covered so well. Obviously, I'm seeing like some dark spots, but so far so good. Anyways, my pizza came, so I'm gonna go downstairs and get it. Yeah. Okay guys, here is the color washed out. I blow dried my hair, and what do you guys think? I'm in love with this. I love it so much. There are dark spaces or dark pieces throughout, just where it didn't like lift all the color off from the bleach, but I'm not too worried about it. Overall, I love it. And we'll definitely be sticking with this color for a while. My hair is super soft and silky feeling, even though my curls did definitely take a hit. I love it though. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'm excited for this. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, to subscribe to my channel. Make sure and click the notification so you know when I post a new video. Also share it with your friends if you know you want to or not. Make sure and check out some of my other videos. They're pretty cool. Oh, if you have any questions or comments, you can drop them down below, or you can hit me up on social media at SparklingAlex. I like to hear from you guys. I don't think I have anything else for today, so I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you guys are having a great and lovely day. Bye!